Basic model. Locate 3 center points aligned to the scissor lift. Center points shall be within 1 to 2 meters range in front of the scissor lift. Connect the 3 center points to mark a center line. Mark an installation spot along the center line for the standing pole. Please make sure the distance between pole and lift front edge is within 1.6 to 2.3 meters. Mark and drill an M12 hole for the pole base. Now, get the camera beam and standing pole from the carton. Install the camera beam to the standing pole at which the camera beam is marked. Then, attach the head cap to the top of the pole. Move the standing pole to the pole installation spot and insert the middle expansion screws for positioning. Slightly fasten the screws so that adjustment can be made afterward. Make sure the distances from both camera to the lift front edges is equivalent, and the beam and the lift front edges are parallel to each other. Please note, the tolerance for parallel level shall be kept within 3 millimeters to ensure best performance possible. After the above measurements are properly checked and done, fasten the middle bolt at the pole base. Hence, fasten all the expansion bolts to dead position. Now, install the ground needle. Drill an M16 by 400 mm close to the pole base. Then, insert the ground needle deep into the ground. And connect the ground wire to the needle in the aligner. Now, let's install the printer case bracket. Attach the bracket to the middle of the standing pole at where the printer is marked. Hence, fasten the 4 screws at both sides. Load the printer into the printer case and lead the power cable and USB cable through the hole of the printer case bracket. Then, attach the printer case to the printer bracket and fasten the screws behind. Now, you can put the wireless keyboard on top of the printer case. There are 4 targets and 4 clamps in total. Attach the 4 clamps to the standing pole at where target clamp is marked on both sides of the pole. This is the pole base cover. Attach the front and back cover to each other and fasten the screws at the middle of both sides. Now, let's install the monitor. First, attach the monitor bracket to the back of the monitor. Then, hang the monitor to the TV hanger on the upper part of the standing pole. Fasten these 2 screws to make sure the monitor is firmly attached to the hanger. Connect printer USB cable. Connect printer power cable. Connect monitor VGA cable. Connect monitor power cable. At the end, connect the power cable of aligner. Then, lift the scissor lift to a certain height at where the technician can do his job with ease. Adjustment. Attach 4 targets and clamps to the corresponding wheels. And make sure all the targets are facing the camera. Activate the keed 3D wheel alignment program and press F4 to enter the target surveillance mode. This step is to help the technician to set the camera beam to a proper height, at which he or she can operate with ease without compromising the efficiency of the alignment procedure. This is a 2-man operation. To adjust the camera beam height, loosen the screws and have 2 men lifting the camera beam from both sides. Double check and make sure the 4 targets are in the center area of the target surveillance windows. Then, lock the screws on both sides of the camera beam bracket. Now, attach the cover of the main unit and hide all the cables inside the track behind the pole by using the ALU cable cover provided. And now, congratulations! The aligner is properly installed and ready to serve.